Pakistan and China 65 years diplomatic relations. This year marks the 65th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Pakistan and China. This relationship, formally established on the 21st of May 1951, has built on the strength of its successive achievements, and has become formidable with each passing day and year. The leadership of both countries is committed to taking this relationship forward. To understand the depth of this unique relationship, here is a glimpse of the milestones reached over the years. Milestones, key developments. 1951 – The two countries established diplomatic relations. 1963 – Pakistan and China concludes boundary agreement through peaceful negotiations. 1964 – Pakistan International Airlines, PIA, starts its flights to Beijing, becoming the first non-communist country airline to fly from Beijing. 1965 – Agreement on Cultural Cooperation signed. 1970 – Pakistan facilitates first visit by U.S. President Nixon to China, paving way for the first-ever U.S.-China official contact. 1976 – Agreement on Scientific and Cultural Cooperation signed. 1978 – The Karakoram Highway, a construction miracle, linking the mountainous northern Pakistan with western China officially opens. 1983 – Pakistan and China sign MO on educational exchanges. 1989 – The two countries sign an agreement on reciprocal encouragement and protection of investments. 1995 – Agreement for Traffic in Transit is signed between the governments of Pakistan, China, Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan. 1995 – Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto visits China as a special guest to attend the 4th Women's Conference in Beijing. 2001 – Premier Zhu Rongji visits Pakistan on the occasion of 50 years of establishment of diplomatic relations. 2001 – China and Pakistan sign agreement on tourism cooperation. 2003 – Preferential trade agreement is signed between the two countries. 2005 – Bilateral MO on cooperation in information technology is concluded. 2005 – Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao visits Pakistan. 2005 – Treaty of Friendship, Cooperation and Good Neighborly Relations, is signed between the two countries. 2006 – Chinese President Hu Jintao pays an official visit to Pakistan. 2006 – China and Pakistan sign free trade agreement. 2008 – Pakistan welcomes the Chinese Olympic torch in Islamabad. 2010 – Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao visits Pakistan. 2013 – Premier Li Keqiang visits Pakistan in May. 2013 – Pakistan and China sign the landmark China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, on 5 July 2013, linking Xinjiang Pr.